Good evening, sir, and good evening, classmate. I am from 8 Pangasinan. Hair care tools are essential for maintaining healthy and well-groomed nails. They help you trimming, shaping, cleaning, and polishing nails, as well as caring for the actors. Here are some key nail care tools and their function. Number 1, nail clippers. Used to trim nails to the desired length. They cut in different sizes for fingernails and toenails. 2. Nail scissors. Providing more precision than clippers for allowing for smoother and more controlled cuts. Number 3. Nail file and nail roll. Help shape and smooth the edges of nail after cleaning. Glass or metal files last longer than traditional nail. 4. Active pusher. It pushes back to the actives to keep the nail bending and prevent overgrowth. 5. Active nippers. Use to clean excess active skin out from nails for cleaning. 6. Nail buffers. Smooth the nail surface, enhance shine and rest the nail for polish. 7. Nail brush. Cleans dirt and debris from under and around the nails. 8. Orange tip wooden cutting stick. A disposable tool used for pushing cuttings, nailing under nails, or applying nail art. 9. Calculus remover. Used to smooth rough skin around the nails and remove calculus, especially for procedures. 10. Nail polish remover pads. Free soap pads that help remove old nail polish easily. Number 11. LED lamp for daily nails. Pure and hardened nails color for long-lasting work. Number 2. Nail cosmetic. Nail cosmetic enhance the appearance of nail and protect from the damage. Type of nail cosmetic. Here is the number 1. Base coat. Protective layer applied before nail polish to prevent staining. Number 2. Nail polish, regular gel, deep powder, RK3, comes in a various color and finish, glossy matte glitter. Top coat, since the polish adds shine and increase longevity. Number 5. Nail strengthens and prevent breakage and promote strong nails. Number 6. Captain oil hydrates and nourishes the cappings to prevent dryness. Nail polish remover. Acetone and acetone. Remove all polish nail effectively.